Before this topic, we have talked about alphabetic principle, and we have seen that it is composed of two parts, that is alphabetic understanding and phonological recoding. We have talked about alphabetic understanding in detail, but we haven't touched as yet the topic and the concept of phonological recoding. जहाँ उसकी ज़रूरत होगी आगे चल के, उससे पहले एक या दो जो लेक्चर्स हैं बिल्कुल उसके ऊपर मैं फोकस करूंगी ताकि आपको बिल्कुल ये क्लियर हो कि व्हाट डू वी मीन बाय फोनोलॉजिकल रिकोडिंग. तो अभी ये जो बात है ये अल्फ़ाबेटिक प्रिंसिपल ही की चल रही है because when we are going to tackle alphabets and alphabetical skills in a classroom, तो we have to keep in mind alphabetic principle. उसके बगैर हम आगे चल नहीं सकते हैं. और अगर उसके बगैर हम उसके अल्फ़ाबेटिक्स पे जाएंगे तो it always creates difficulty. So, what do we mean by lack of alphabetic understanding? Because the children who don't have alphabetic understanding, उसको किस किस्म के problems जो हैं वो हो सकते हैं classroom में, इस पे बात करने में जा रही हूँ. First of all, they won't be able to understand the words are composed of letters. Already we have talked about this thing that when we go on reducing the bigger chunks of language and we start moving towards the minimum part of some word or the least जिसके अंदर आता है तो हम words को sentences are reduced into words and words are reduced into letters और तो सबसे पहले उनको this is the problem with the children that they are not able to understand that words are made of letters. This is a common problem which they face when they don't have alphabetic understanding. Number two, they don't understand that letters in fact represent a sound which is called a phoneme. जितने भी letters हैं वो basically किसी न किसी sound को represent करते हैं. There are certain letters which represent more than one sounds. जैसे C है तो बाज़ जगह पे वो देखिए कि उसकी आवाज़ स की वो देता है and sometimes it's giving the sound of k. So there are certain letters which give more than one sounds, लेकिन कम से कम एक sound जो है that is always associated with each letter. So they are not able to understand that letters represent sounds. This is another problem with those children. And you just look at this picture, when they don't have the proper understanding and proper clarity related to these concepts, तो फिर क्या होता है, अभी उनको इस तरह की चीज़ें और इस तरह के concepts जो हैं वो उनको intermingled होते हैं and they are simply unable to classify them, simply unable to differentiate, and consequently this type of images are present in their minds. अब आपको you just look at them, you yourself are unable to distinguish कि ये क्या है, ये T है, possibly it is a part of S, or possibly some part of J. So this is simply intermingled concepts. This picture is representing where the concepts are not clear and they lack clarity. So ये एक चीज़ उनके mind में इस तरह का image जो होता है वो present होता है. We don't have any alphabetic understanding. There's another problem related to that they don't understand the sequence of the letters in a word और उसके बाद जो उन sequence से जो आवाज़ आपको वो letters देंगे जब उनको letters के sequence का ही नहीं पता तो obviously they are not able to recognize the sounds which are producing by those letters. और उससे वो फिर obviously वो sounds जो हैं the letters जो हैं वो they have been put in a certain sequence. जैसे sat है या mat है तो the letters have been put in a certain sequence. जब आपने S has been removed and you have placed M at the place of S, तो आपके पास you have got another word that is mat. So they should be able to understand and they should be able to differentiate between these letters and the sequence of letters and the sounds, a sequence of sounds which are produced by these letters. तो उनके पास ये वाली अंडरस्टैंडिंग भी नहीं होती है. और उसके बाद फिर वो जो एक blend of letters आता है ना, basically हम क्या कर रहे हैं when certain words are made by putting certain letters together, what are we doing? We are making a blend of sounds. We are making a blend of letters. We are making a combination of letters and a combination of sounds. As you see, जैसे अभी I have given you the example of mat and of sat, and there's another word hat. Now, last two letters are the same. Last two sounds are the same. Only you are replacing one letter, first letter by another letter, first letter by another letter, and you get another word, you get another sound. So what are you doing? You are in fact making a new blend by replacing first letter. जब आपने स साउंड को म से कर दिया तो वो मैट आपके पास आ गया. म साउंड को जब आपने ह से कर दिया तो वो हैट आपके पास आ गया. तो what are you doing? You are making new combinations of letters. You are making new blends of letters. तो जब वो उनको sequence of letters जो है, they are not able to differentiate. Similarly, they are not able to pick the blend of sounds, and they are not able to make this blend and make new blends and combinations. This is missing in their concepts, or if alphabetic understanding is missing, consequently these concepts are also missing, and these skills are also missing. Ye skill hai na, we are talking about teaching literacy skills. This is also a part of literacy skills, and I have told you many times before also that when we talk about literacy skills, so teaching आपका listening, आपका speaking, आपका reading and आपका writing. These are the basic 4 skills we talk about. But in सब में आप देखें तो there are many sub skills. अब ये भी आपका एक sub skill है. जब आप alphabet से इनमें से कोई भी आप major skill उठा लें, you can't eliminate alphabets because all of the alphabets जो हैं और आपके basic alphabetic skills जो हैं वो उनकी basis में है, उनके foundations में है. तो ये आपके जो एक blend of sounds है and combination of letters है, this is a basic literacy skill. तो उनके पास ये basic literacy skill जो होता है ये भी missing होता है if they don't have alphabetic understanding, जो कि एक important part है of alphabetic principle का. Now look at this picture. इसमें भी obviously everything you feel that intermingled and सारी चीजें जो हैं reshuffled and imbalanced, and you are simply unable to pick कि कहाँ से picture शुरू हो रही है, कहाँ से कोई letter card शुरू हो रहा है. This is the position of their concepts, that if they lack this understanding, nothing is clear, everything is intermingled, and you are unable to pick up and classify the things and pick up the proper things, and you are unable to mark the boundaries. Even the boundaries are simply इस तरह से बिल्कुल mixed up हैं और messed up हैं. You are not able to understand कि कहाँ से कौन सी चीज़ शुरू हो रही है. This is the position of their understanding. And then there are certain other problems के उसके वो नहीं अपना knowledge को कर ही नहीं सकते because they don't have the basic concept, they do lack the basic understanding, so they don't have the knowledge कि आपके letter sound जो correspondence है वो कर ही नहीं सकते हैं कि अगर इधर से S है, A है, D है, तो कौन सी sounds these letters जो हैं वो produce कर रहे हैं, उनकी correspondence क्या होगी, उनका link क्या है, उनका sequence क्या है, ये उनको समझ में नहीं पड़ रहा होता because they don't have this understanding. Similarly, वो उसमें जो identify and manipulate letter sound correspondence within the words. यानी एक word को दूसरे word से a hat is lying on the table. अब आप देखिए these are different words in one sentence. First, they are not able to see the sequence of letters within one word. ये जो HAT hat है ये sequence है letters का within one word. और उसके बाद ये जो hat is lying on the table है ये आपका sequence है एक sentence के अंदर. So they are not able to pick this sequence within one letter. Similarly, they are not able to pick this sequence within one sentence. Yani one word from other word, they are not able to distinguish. One sound from other sound, they are not able to distinguish within one word. So these are the common problems they face when they don't have alphabetic understanding. So we are talking about the lack of alphabetic understanding जो कि बच्चों के पास अगर ना हो तो ये problems they can face in a classroom.